Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about Kali Linux. Kali Linux, a powerful and versatile penetration testing and security auditing Linux distribution, has established itself as a staple tool for cybersecurity professionals, enthusiasts, and ethical hackers worldwide. With its comprehensive suite of pre-installed tools and robust framework, Kali Linux provides users with the means to conduct various security assessments, vulnerability analyses, and penetration tests in diverse environments. Originally developed by Offensive Security as a rewrite of Backtrack Linux in March 2013, Kali Linux quickly gained popularity within the cybersecurity community due to its focus on accessibility, flexibility, and continuous updates. The distribution is based on Debian and is available for various platforms, including x86, ARM, and cloud-based systems. At the core of Kali Linux lies its vast arsenal of over 600 pre-installed tools, organized into categories such as information gathering, vulnerability analysis, exploitation tools, wireless attacks, forensics tools, and many others. These tools encompass a wide range of functionalities, from network scanning and reconnaissance to password cracking and reverse engineering, providing users with the resources needed to assess and secure systems effectively. One of the key features that sets Kali Linux apart is its focus on security and privacy. The distribution is designed with security in mind, incorporating measures such as full disk encryption, secure development practices, and frequent updates to ensure that users have access to the latest security patches and tool enhancements. Additionally, Kali Linux includes tools for anonymizing internet traffic, such as Tor and proxy chains, enabling users to conduct assessments discreetly and protect their privacy online. Another notable aspect of Kali Linux is its robust support for hardware and software. The distribution is compatible with a wide range of hardware configurations, making it accessible to users with varying technical backgrounds and hardware setups. Moreover, Kali Linux offers extensive documentation, tutorials, and community support resources, allowing users to quickly learn and leverage its capabilities for their security needs. Kali Linux is not only a tool for security professionals, but also serves as a valuable educational resource for aspiring cybersecurity practitioners. Its user-friendly interface, extensive documentation, and comprehensive toolset make it an ideal platform for learning about various security concepts, techniques, and methodologies. Additionally, Kali Linux provides opportunities for hands-on experience through its support for virtualization and integration with platforms such as Docker and Vagrant, enabling users to set up and experiment with different security scenarios in controlled environments. Furthermore, Kali Linux promotes a culture of responsible and ethical hacking by emphasizing the importance of obtaining proper authorization and consent before conducting security assessments. Through its emphasis on ethical behavior and adherence to legal and ethical standards, Kali Linux aims to empower users to use their skills and knowledge for the betterment of cybersecurity practices and the protection of digital assets. In conclusion, Kali Linux stands as a powerful and versatile tool for cybersecurity professionals, enthusiasts, and ethical hackers alike. With its extensive suite of pre-installed tools, focus on security and privacy, robust hardware and software support, and emphasis on education and ethical behavior, Kali Linux continues to be a leading choice for conducting security assessments, vulnerability analyses, and penetration tests in today's ever-evolving threat landscape. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.